Hello, technology enthusiasts. Did you know that NVIDIA's new DLSS 4 technology can revolutionize not just gaming, but also various fields of programming? This AI-powered technology significantly enhances graphical quality and can also be applied to other demanding computational tasks. In this video, we will explore how DLSS 4 works and its impact on different programming domains. What is DLSS 4? DLSS 4 Deep Learning Supersampling is NVIDIA's latest AI-based upscaling technology that uses deep learning to enhance image quality and improve performance. Its key features include 1. Multi-frame generation. AI-powered generation of multiple additional frames from a single rendered frame, significantly boosting frame rates. 2. Ray reconstruction with transformer architecture. Real-time light ray reconstruction for improved rendering quality. 3. Super resolution with higher precision. Enhanced image detail with twice the parameters and 4 times the computational power compared to the previous generation. 4. Integration with NVIDIA Reflex 2. Input latency reduction of up to 75% for faster in-game responsiveness. Impact of DLSS 4 in various programming fields. 1. Game development. Enhanced graphics quality and frame rates without increasing hardware strain. Reduced resource consumption, allowing developers to add more details to game environments. Better support for ray tracing without performance loss. 2. AI and machine learning. DLSS 4 architecture can be leveraged for optimizing deep learning models. Improved rendering of digital faces using RTX neural faces. Lower computational costs for running complex models with FP4. 3. Image and video processing. Higher quality live video with deep learning algorithms. Enhanced performance in video editing software with reduced rendering time. Used in compression and video streaming without quality loss. Do you think DLSS 4 can change the future of programming? Share your thoughts in the comments.